Hey there, tool enthusiasts! Whether you're a pro on the job site or a DIYer tackling home projects, having the right power tools can make all the difference. Today, we're checking out some game-changing power tools that are designed to make your work easier, faster, and more precise. Let's dive right in.
The Festool TSV60K KEBQ-F-Plus is a game changer for anyone looking for clean, splinter-free cuts in just one pass. With its built-in scoring blade, you get zero tear out on both sides of your material, making it ideal for perfect edges right from the first cut. Whether you're in the workshop or out on a job site, this saw delivers precision with the ease of portability. One standout feature is the kickback stop, which detects kickbacks in a fraction of a second and instantly stops the motor, keeping you safe and protecting your workpiece. It's a fantastic safety innovation that gives you more confidence when cutting. The adjustable scoring blade allows you to fine-tune your depth for different materials, and it can be easily turned on or off depending on your needs. Plus, the diamond-tipped blade ensures long-lasting, reliable performance, making it a great long-term investment. Whether you're cutting large panels or making precise adjustments, this tool performs like a stationary machine, but offers the flexibility to take it wherever your project leads. If you want a saw that combines precision, safety, and top-tier performance, the Festool TSV60K is the perfect solution to elevate your work. The VEVOR Mag Drill Press is a must-have for anyone looking for serious power and precision in their metalworking projects. With an impressive 2,922 pounds force electromagnet, this drill stays firmly in place, so you don't have to worry about any movement while you're working. Paired with a 1,500-watt copper motor, it delivers all the muscle you need to drill through tough materials with ease. What really stands out is the adjustable 10-speed control, giving you the flexibility to dial in just the right speed, up to 500 RPM, depending on the hole size. Whether you're drilling 2-inch deep holes or working on smaller tasks, this drill delivers accuracy every time. To make your job even easier, there's a built-in depth scale, so you can keep an eye on how deep you're drilling, and a coolant bottle to keep everything running smoothly and extend the cutter life. Plus, the titanium magnesium alloy guide rail resists corrosion and wear, making this drill not just powerful, but built to last. If you need a tool that offers both precision and durability, the VEVOR Mag Drill Press is ready to handle any metal surface you throw at it. The Makita 40-volt Max XT Brushless Cordless 13/16-inch SDS Plus AVT Rotary Hammer Kit is a high-powered cordless tool designed for demanding concrete jobs. Powered by a 40-volt battery and brushless motor, it delivers up to 40% more hitting force than standard tools. Key features include active feedback sensing technology for safety, anti-vibration technology for comfort, and extreme protection technology for durability. It also has a built-in dust extractor and auto-start wireless system for efficient dust control. With 3 modes of operation, constant speed control, and a torque-limiting clutch, this rotary hammer is ideal for contractors needing a versatile and durable tool for heavy-duty applications.
The Makita XC01Z 18-volt LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless 9-inch power cutter is designed to eliminate the hassles associated with gas-powered tools, providing a lightweight, low-maintenance, and zero-emission solution suitable for indoor environments. Powered by 2 18-volt LXT lithium-ion batteries, it allows immediate startups without needing engine pull starts. This power cutter features a BL brushless motor, which eliminates carbon brushes for a cooler and more efficient operation, and delivers an impressive 6,600 RPM. For concrete cutting applications, it includes an integrated water delivery system with an adjustable water flow knob, ensuring compliance with OSHA Table 1 standards. Safety is enhanced with active feedback sensing technology, which automatically turns off the motor if the wheel's rotation is suddenly forced to stop. This combination of features makes the Makita XC01Z a powerful and efficient choice for both professional and DIY users. The Makita XPG01's 18-volt LXT lithium-ion grease gun is a powerful and efficient tool, delivering up to 10,000 psi of maximum pressure for demanding lubrication tasks. It features two speed modes, low and auto speed, for greater control during application. In auto speed mode, the tool automatically adjusts the flow rate to match the resistance of the part being greased, ensuring optimal performance. The variable speed trigger allows users to easily control the discharge rate, while the lock-on button provides added convenience during extended use. This grease gun is designed for professionals who need a reliable, cordless solution for lubrication tasks.
The Makita G780 7-inch angle grinder is equipped with a powerful 15.0 AMP motor, delivering 8,500 RPM for fast and efficient material removal. Designed with a soft start feature, it reduces startup reactions, promoting smoother operations and extending gear life. This grinder offers enhanced comfort with its rotatable back handle, allowing for easy handling in various applications. The toolless wheel guard makes adjustments quick and convenient, while the 3-position vibration-absorbing side handle ensures added comfort and control during extended use. Ideal for heavy-duty grinding tasks, it's both powerful and user-friendly. The Milwaukee M18 fuel deep-cut bandsaw delivers exceptional performance, cutting faster on 4-inch black iron pipe. It's the lightest in its class, offering a superior cutting experience. With up to 78 cuts per charge, it reduces the need for frequent charging on job sites, improving efficiency. Powered by a power-state brushless motor, it delivers 550 SFPM for faster material removal and increased productivity. The saw features a variable speed mode select and a feathering trigger, giving users better control over cuts, especially on thicker metals. The tool-free adjustable shoe ensures straighter cuts, and the built-in LED work light helps illuminate the workspace. Perfect for professionals who need powerful, cordless, and efficient cutting solutions.
The robust RU cordless impact wrench delivers a powerful 406 feet-pounds of torque, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks like loosening car tires, assembling furniture, and more. Its brushless motor provides high performance and longer life. Equipped with two 4.0 Ah batteries and a 1-hour quick charge, it increases runtime by 50%, reducing downtime for maximum efficiency. With 3 adjustable speed settings up to 2,800 RPM, you can easily tailor the tool to your needs, whether for precision or power. The reverse auto stop mode ensures nuts and bolts don't fall after loosening, weighing just 3.74 pounds. This compact impact wrench is designed for comfort, with an ergonomic handle to reduce fatigue, making it great for extended use. Its 3-in-1 functionality allows it to act as an impact wrench, drill, and screwdriver, adding versatility. A built-in LED light illuminates your workspace for better visibility, even in dark or tight areas. The smooth trigger design allows for accurate speed control, responding effortlessly to your touch for a seamless experience. Perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike.
The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 4.5-inch to 6-inch variable speed braking grinder with paddle switch and 1-key kit is a high-performance tool designed for tough grinding and cutting applications. It delivers the power of a 13-ampere corded grinder, generating up to 135 cuts per charge, all while running on the M18 cordless system. Powered by a power-state brushless motor, the grinder delivers 3,000 to 9,000 RPM, ensuring maximum sustained power for the hardest jobs. The RedLink Plus intelligence system provides enhanced performance, protection, and compatibility, preventing overloads and extending the life of the motor. The rapid stop brake brings the abrasive disc to a stop in under 2 seconds for added safety. Equipped with an electronic clutch for kickback protection, the grinder also features overload protection to maximize its lifespan. With one-key technology, you can wirelessly track and manage the tool via a smartphone, providing enhanced visibility and control on job sites. For optimal performance, pair this tool with the M18 Red Lithium Forge XC08.0 battery pack, which delivers the power of HD 12.0 batteries in a smaller, more compact design for extended runtime and durability, ideal for professionals needing superior performance in a cordless grinder. The Bonvoisin cordless brushless die grinder is designed for efficient and comfortable use. It features an ergonomic design with a locking button to reduce hand fatigue during extended use. The grinder has 6 variable speeds, adjustable from 12,000 to 26,000 RPM, making it versatile for various grinding and cutting tasks. For added convenience, it comes with 10 pieces of 1/8 inch carbide bits and 3 pieces of 1/4 inch carbide bits. The brushless motor design eliminates the need for regular maintenance, ensuring longer lifespan and more stable performance. Powered by a 1200-watt motor, this die grinder offers high speed and torque, making it suitable for working with metal, wood, and other materials. Equipped with 220-volt lithium-ion batteries, it provides extended running time. The battery also features a display to show the remaining power, so you can keep track of your charge during use. This die grinder is ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who require reliable performance and flexibility in their tools.